Hey guys, so I know this is my third live today and I am loving it. So I am mowing the lawn outside. I'll wait for some people to get on. Let me invite some people on my team. So when you become a Scentsy consultant, you have all these perks that they give and it is awesome. So hold on one second. Okay. Hey Mark, hey Anne-Marie. So, I got my box today. And this is my first my Scentsy family reunion. I went to World Tour and it was amazing. It was awesome. I loved it. I loved every minute of it. So, like I was saying, when you become a Scentsy consultant, there's a lot of stuff that Scentsy does. And the main thing is their conference, and it's called Scentsy Family Reunion. So this is my first one, and here's the box. Let's see. This is the kit. Now we get more while we're there, from what I understand. I've never been, so I don't know. So here is the kit. And it says, these are the moments that make life magical. So Scentsy Family Reunion this year is in Anaheim, California, right across the street from Disney in the convention center. So it's themed, magically themed. So look at that, isn't that cute? 2018 cutout. I mean, just their boxes are awesome. So I'm gonna be going alone. Jerry's not coming with me. Which you can bring your partner, husband, whoever you want to bring, a friend. You can bring them with you and register them as well. So, here's my shirt. And I'm looking now, and I did go the size up, so I'm happy. Yeah, this looks great. So, here it goes. It's a nice shirt, too. Scentsy makes nice stuff. One magical moment. Look at that. And it says 1/7 on the sleeve because that's when I joined. Hey Shawnee, Anne-Marie, Mark, what's up? Oh my god, the whole crew is here. So, and I love that it's gray. Gray is a fat person's friend. I love this box though. I think I'm gonna do something with this box. Alright, so here's a packet. Robbie Vitale, Flushing. Alright, so this... Ooh. So this is going to be my name badge, and it tells me the seat, whatever seat I'm in, July 18th, section 205, row B. If you are close, let me know. July 19th, section 301, row B. July 20th, section 112, row B. So here is all of my, wow. Here's all of my, yeah. Okay, so you put these on the bottom. Alright, this goes in a, which isn't here, we must get it there. Alright, so this goes in a holder, from what I saw, and then you stick these under. So, I'm from the United States. Scentsy Family Foundation. Not sure what that is exactly, but I'm going to look it up. Sensational Start Level 3. I earned that. That's what this... And my my little star warmer. Hey Lori, I promoted to director. It is the first time I'm going to be there. I have a lifetime PRV of 10,000, which I have a PRV of 30. I think it was 37 this year. So I also have the annual sales excellence, and I earned the trip. So trip qualifier. So my thing is going to be long. That's so cool. So awesome. What else is here? Here we go. Please join us for awards or recognition. 5-year stage. Sensational start. So I'm going to be on the stage 3 times. I'm going to be on the stage for Sensational Start Level 3. Actually, no. It'll be 4 times. So Sensational Start Level 3. Then I'll be up for the incentive trip earner. Oh no, standard recognition, so I'll stand up. Yes. I'm just kidding. Annual sales award recognition and the director's walk. So this is going to be awesome. I'm so excited. Oh, thank you so much. Here's a schedule. They just make everything so nice. Look at how cute this is. This is just a schedule. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. 4 times. Yeah, I'm going to be walking with Mark on there. And if you guys followed me on that trip, you know that Mark is a showstopper. Hey, Lori, how are you? So that's the kit, and I am so excited. I can't wait. I cannot wait to go. I already am starting to pack, but if you know me, you know that that's nothing new. So if you want to be in on this, you got to be a consultant. Come with me next year.